Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Hyundai Elantra. First, prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. It is crucial that your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid burns. Gather your supplies, including a suitable drain pan, the correct type of new coolant, and a few basic hand tools. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Find the radiator drain plug, typically located at the bottom of the radiator. Place a large drain pan directly beneath it to catch all the fluid. Slowly open the drain plug and then remove the radiator cap to allow the coolant to flow out completely. Let it drain until no more fluid comes out. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug, then fill the radiator with distilled water. Run the engine briefly with the heater on, then drain the water. Repeat this until the drained water is clear. Once flushed, securely close the drain plug and fill the radiator with the appropriate new coolant mixture. Finally, we need to bleed any air from the system. Start the engine with the heater on high and let it run until it reaches operating temperature. This helps circulate the coolant and push out air bubbles. Keep an eye on the coolant level and top it off as needed. Check for any leaks around the hoses and connections. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.